To my channel. Today we're going to be going over how to add a personalized signature into Salesforce. So I'm on the home page. I'm going to go to my profile icon and go to my personal settings. It just says my settings. In the quick find, I will type in email, go to my email settings, and here you will be able to add your email signature. So I'm just going to say Emily Call. And you can reach me at sfemilycall@gmail.com. So that's pretty much it. You just need to hit save. And now any email that you send out that is not using a template from Lightning will have this amended email signature. So that is one of the weird settings, but every other email that you're sending out without an email template should work with this signature. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and a sub, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.